Well, hello there, happy Vlogmas, and welcome to another episode of my sunscreen review series. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Naturium Dew Glow Moisturizer SPF 50. Now, before we jump in, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Now, for those of you who don't know, Naturium is a skincare brand that is owned by a fellow YouTuber named Susan Yara. I've been following her for a while, so I was so excited when she was releasing a skincare brand, and even more excited to see that she was releasing a sunscreen. Now, this is the very first product that I'm trying out from the brand, and today is actually a first impression because I just got it in the mail today. I was so excited. I actually tried to get it on Black Friday, but it was sold out, but I was able to order it a couple days afterwards. And just some info about the sunscreen. It does have an SPF rating of SPF 50 PA++++, and it's a chemical sunscreen, but it also includes other skin-loving ingredients such as niacinamide. And as the name would suggest, it leaves a dewy, radiant finish, which I am so excited for. It also claims to wear well under makeup, so judging by the ingredients and everything that it claims, it should mark all of my boxes. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel and new to my sunscreen review series videos, hi. I look for three things when it comes to a daily, everyday sunscreen. Number one is that it doesn't break me out. Number two is that it doesn't leave a white cast. And number three is that it wears well under makeup. Now I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in so I can get the demo in for you guys. Here's what my skin is looking like without anything on it, except moisturizer from a little while ago. All right, I've got 3 pumps out, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply. So it's actually thicker than I was expecting, but definitely not in a bad way. It kind of has a similar texture to the Bondi Sands sunscreen. But definitely did not leave a white cast. That absorbed pretty quickly there. And it was really easy to rub it in. I think I could stand to use a little bit more. Oh, there is a definite glow there. Oh, I really like that. It reminds me of the glow that I get from like a really good moisturizer when my skin is just really, really well moisturized. There's no glitter or anything like that. All right, and here's my skin with the sunscreen. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick makeup look, and then I will be back to share my final thoughts on the sunscreen. Hi, I'm back. I finished up my makeup, and yeah, I think we can all agree that it definitely looks good under makeup. I can definitely still see a bit of that glow. I didn't use a very glowy product. In fact, for foundation, I used the Oma by Sharon C Flawless in Real Life Skin Perfecting Foundation in the shade Bronze Venus T1. And it's normally on the matte side on my skin. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out and give you my final thoughts. So this is just a first impression, but I think it's safe to say that I really enjoy this sunscreen. Now, of course, I won't know if it breaks me out until I've used it a couple times, so I will keep you updated in the description box, but so far, so good. It does have a sunscreen smell, like that normal sunscreen smell. I'd say it's a little bit stronger than the Bondi Sands, but definitely nothing bad, and it goes away after you have it on. It was very easy to apply, as you guys saw, and there wasn't a white cast, which is great. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Do you want to try this sunscreen out? Do you think it looks nice? I'm very excited to keep trying this sunscreen out. Now that wraps up my video for today. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.